Determine a quadratic function for each of the set of characteristics. So they are giving us points. So we have the vertex as 0, 0, and we have points. So the first thing I should write here is my P is equal to what? Because the vertex are the point of P and Q, so my P is 0 and my Q is 0. That means my equation will be y is equal to a times x squared, because my P is 0 and my Q is 0. So from here I can detect, I can find a by replacing x by this value and y by this value. Okay, I will just write this as minus 150, which is my y, is equal to a times my x, which is 20 squared. Okay, and this tell me that a is equal to minus 150 over 20 squared, which is minus 150 over 400. Okay, so my if you reduce this, you can reduce this. I think you will get minus 3 over 8 or something like that. Okay, so my final equation is y is equal to minus 3 over 8 x squared. Okay, this is my final equation. Same thing for B. Same thing for question B. Same thing, you have your P is 8, your Q is 0. So the question will be, the equation will be y is equal to a times x minus 8 minus 8 square plus 0, because my Q is 0. And you can just do the same thing, replace x by this value 2 and y by this value, and solve for a. It is very, very straightforward. So let me see this point. Same thing. Here we have minimum value is minimum value is 12 at x is equal to minus 4 for this question. I'm talking about this question. This one, minimum value is 12 at x is equal to minus 4, and y-intercept is 60. So from here you can say that your equation is y is equal to a times x minus plus 4, because it's minus 4, so x plus 4 square plus 12. So this is your P, this is your Q, because the minimum value is the P, always minimum value is P, and this is Q. At x is equal to minus 4, this is show me that my P and Q are minus 4 and 12. And you have the y-intercept, which is 60, so you can replace x. So you can replace x by 0 and y by 60, because they are giving us the y-intercept is 60 to find a. And from there you will get 60 is equal to a times 0 plus, well, it's come this 4, this is 4 minus 4 minus plus 4 square plus 12. So it will give you 48 is equal, so just is equal to 16a. That means a is equal to 3. And from there you can write your final equation as your greg is y is equal to 3 times x plus 4 square plus 12. Okay, good. So we did A, we did B, we did C. You can do D, it's same thing, it's just easy stuff. So for the question, this question number 5, we write a quadratic function in vertex form. So they need us to write y is equal to ax plus minus q minus p plus q. So this is the vertex form. So to do that, we need our p and we need our q and we need our a. So from here, we said that the vertex is always the p and q. So my vertex and my vertex is here. So this is what? This is minus 3 and minus 6. So this is P and this is Q. P, Q. I have my P, my Q. Okay? And so start by there, and the right equation is y is equal to a times x minus 3, which is plus 3, square minus 6. Okay, this is the first equation. We need, from here we need a point. So to find our a, we need a point. For example, we'll choose this point. This point, name it a, and we have x is 1 and y is minus 2. And we will just substitute this x to here and this y to here, and we will find our a. So our y is minus 2 is equal to a times x, which is 1 plus 3 square minus 6. So this will give me minus plus 6, which will be 4, is equal to 16a. So that means a is equal 1 over 4. Then the final answer is y is equal 1 over 4, which actually makes sense because my parabola is looking upward and my a is positive, times x plus 3 square minus 6, which is our final answer. You can do the same thing for this one, same stuff, same thing. You have your vertex v here, which is x is 1 and y is 5, and you just write the equation, your equation as y is equal to a times x minus 1 square plus 5. You substitute, you choose a point. For example, this one is 0, 3, and you substitute the value here, x here and y here, and you solve for a, and you write your final answer. Okay, this question is important to do because I read it before, I find it interesting, so we needed to do it. So they are telling us that this solar system have a parabolic shape, okay, and what they want us to determine the quadratic function that represent the cross section shape of the mirror. Okay, they are actually asking us to find like what is the equation, so the vertex form of the equation. So my equation will, so let me draw first a graph for this. So my parabola is like this. My parabola is like this, okay? As you can see from the image, is like this, okay? So what they are telling me, no, this is not good. Okay, let me draw a good line. Okay. I choose my parabola to touch the x and y axis to make my life easy. Oh no, to make everything easy for me, 0, 0. So my vertex, I choose it just to make my stuff easy. I choose my vertex as 0, 0. So what they are telling me, they are telling me that has a width of 180. So my width, the whole thing is from here up to here, is 180. How about half of it? Half of it will be from here to here will be 90. Okay, and they are telling me that the depth of the parabola is 56. That means my parabola from the depth from here to here is 56. Okay, so this is my 90 and this is my 56. Perfect. So my equation will be as this, so which will be the form of y is equal to a times x minus p plus q. Okay, this is the general form of my vertex equation, but I know this is 0. I know this is 0 because I choose them to be 0. This is my choice. I don't need to complicate my life. So my equation can be written as y is equal to a times x squared. This is my equation. So now I need to find my a. My a, I can use a point, for example, this point. So 56 is equal to a times 90 squared, because my x is 90 from here to here and my y is 56. So my a is equal to 56 over let me put this in the calculator. Yeah, 8,100. So this is my a. So my final answer is y is equal 56 over. You can reduce this if you want, but the basic one equation is this. But you have a calculator, you can reduce it, I think, to 14 or 15, I don't know. Okay, same thing for the question number 7. It is exactly same thing. You just need to draw a parabola shape that is the distance between the towers is 56. The whole distance between the two towers is 274, and the height is your vertex will be at 137 and 22. So x will be 137, which is a half of this, and 22. Okay, I think we should do 9. 9 is good. Let me see 8. 8 also is good. So let's us do number 8 before we do 9. So number 8, they are telling us that a flea jump from the ground. So it starts from the ground and it jumps somewhere like this to a height of 30. So it goes to a height of 30 and it's a height of 15. So 15, 30 centimeter horizontally from where it starts. Suppose the origin. Now they are telling us where is the origin. They did not give me the choice to choose the origin. So, and the same thing, determine the vertex, and that's all that information. So the first thing we need to do is to draw our function. So my x-axis will be like this. My axis will be like this. So because they are telling me, suppose the origin, so my origin here, 0, 0, my origin 0, 0 is the starting point. Function is where the flea starts jumping. So I know it jump up to 30 centimeter. So this is 30, and it goes widely 15. So this is 15. So where is my symmetry axis? it will be at half of this, so it will be 7. So my jump will be like this, okay, because it jump and go back. So the jump will be like this, okay. From here I can see this is 15, the widely went. So my equation will be like this: y is equal to a times x minus p plus q, okay. And my vertex, so this is the vertex, so the vertex is at what point? X is what? X is 7.5, which is a half of this, okay. And y is 30. Y is 30. So I have my p and my q. So I can just write my equation as a square. I always forgot this square. Minus p, which is 7.5 square plus 15. Okay, good. And because it's looking down, I know my a will be negative. So to solve this problem, I need to have 2 points. So let me choose, for example, this point. I will choose this point. Why not? 0, 0. So I will replace x with 0 and y with 0. So my equation will be 0 is equal to a times x minus 7.5 square plus 30, which is, I will put minus 30, minus 30, minus 30 is equal to, so 7.5, so this is a times 7.5 square, which is 56.25a. So my a is minus 30 over 56.25, which is minus 8 over 15. Okay, so my final equation will be y is equal minus 8 over 15 times x minus 7.5 square plus 30. So this will be my final answer.